All right, the Waqf bill has been passed, but seems like protests continue to escalate in different parts of the country. Let's take you through Jammu and Kashmir's Assembly. The House witnessed huge scuffle and a showdown there, while the NC insisted on having a discussion on the Waqf bill. They wanted the adjournment to be announced by the Speaker. In fact, they wanted nothing and no other business to unfold in the Assembly House except for discussions on the Waqf. And that's when we saw huge scuffle that broke out between AAP's lone MLA, Mehraaj Malik, and some of the BJP legislators. That's Mehraaj Malik on our screens there. The clash broke out over Malik's demand for a debate on the Waqf Amendment Act of 2025. BJP MLA Vikram Randhawa accused Malik of making some derogatory remarks against Hindus. Randhawa responded and he said, and I quote, "We won't tolerate this. We will answer and respond to him in the House itself." So there were some reports that initially surfaced that the BJP MLAs, some of them, almost attacked and assaulted the AAP MLA.
हिंदुओं को गाली दी है, ये MLA बन के आगे कुछ भी करेगा, इसको नहीं शेयर करेंगे। इसने गालियां दी आज भी हिंदुओं को कि हिंदू तिलक लगा के पाप करता है, हिंदू तिलक लगा के चोरियां करता है। इसको बताएंगे आज। ये गाली इसने क्या दी? ये बोल रहा है जगह जगह कि हिंदू तिलक लगा के चोरियां करता है, हिंदू तिलक लगा के पाप करता है, हिंदू तिलक लगा के शराब पीता है। इसको बताएंगे हिंदू क्या क्या करता है।
Some of the very upset BJP MLAs there. In fact, the exchange was so heated, finally marshals had to intervene to separate the members and try and bring in some element of peace there. Speaker Kavinda immediately adjourned the House for 3 hours, but the storm did not end. Malik also locked horns with PDP MLA Waheed Parra, accusing him of shielding mafia elements and of being party, basically acting in cahoots with the BJP and attacking him.
एसएसपी को जब बोला कहता आपको तमीज नहीं है, वो कौन होता मुझे अरे उसका काम गेट के बाहर है, वो मुझे बताएगा एसएसपी पे कौन। अरे आपने नहीं देखा बाहर का, अरे बाहर का तमाशा देखो, बाहर भीड़ कितनी।
Meanwhile, National Conference legislators, NC leaders continued their demand for a discussion on the Waqf Act, saying amendments hurt the autonomy of religious bodies. But Speaker refused to allow the debate, saying it wasn't part of listed business in the House. With repeated disruptions and no consensus in the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly over Waqf, the Assembly finally adjourned for the day. And this was 4 days of deadlock there on the Waqf issue. It brings the chaos there to a close, along with the Jammu and Kashmir's Assembly session itself, which was supposed to be its maiden budget sitting.